morning students. I think you all are very safe inside the home. So, from today we are going to start the online class. So, for 8th standard I am going to take computer now. In first lesson you are having the just review of from what you have learned from 5th standard to 7th standard, that is given in your lesson 1. So, it is also has been given as an activity, so that you have to fold the paper and you have to form a shape like that. So, when you are free in your home you can do that, you just try to do how it works. Now, I am moving on to the lesson 2. The lesson 2 we are having the name as Inside Internet. So, lesson 2 Inside Internet, this is the topic of the lesson 2. So, here you all know about what is network and what is internet. So, it is the sharing of data from one place to another place. So, there are many types of networks and we are going to see about the 3 types of network in this chapter. So, you know that network means sharing of data from one place to another one. So, now when you are going into the computer lab, you must have seen how the computers are connected with one another, right. So, there are 3, we are going to learn about the 3 types that is described in your book. The first one is LAN, second one WLAN and next one WAN. Okay. So, these 3 types of networks we are going to see. The first one LAN, what does it mean? It means local area network. And the second one, what does it means? Wireless local area network. And the third one, wide area network. So, these are the 3 types of network you are going to see: LAN local area network, LAN wireless local area network and WAN wide area network. Okay. So, what do you mean by network? So, that is the connection of computers or connection of data which has been shared, that is when we call it as network. Okay. So, first one let us see local area network. So, what you are going to see in local area network? So, in local area network means it is just inside within the small space, within the school or within the home or within an office. So, like that which has been used within the small space, we call it as local area network, right, which is here up to, we can say it as 3 kilometers like that, right. So, this is will be call it as local area network. So, in this LAN local area network we are using how that data can be transferred from one place to another. What is the mechanism used? Okay. So, when you are going to move a particular set of data, it has been splitted and it has been, we are saying it as packets. It will be having a header with additional information. The particular data, it is splitted and it has one header. Each section has a header. Okay. When the data has to be transmitted from one place to another, the data is splitted and each one has an additional information header which has the information about the sender and receiver. So, each header has the information about the sender and the receiver. So, this is called it as the packet information. When this particular packet has an extra information about a header, the header has the information about the sender and the receiver. So, now the information, the receiver will check to which the data has to be transmitted, on which switch or in which hub the data has to be transmitted, and then it will be sent to the particular information, right. So, this is what the data, how the data has been transferred from one place to another. So, in this local area network, it is used within the homes. So, the data when it has to be transmitted from one place to another, it is splitted and it is loaded with the additional information header. The header contains the information about sender and receiver. Okay. So, this formation of handling small unit of data transferring from one place to another in the form of packet is called as packet switching, right. Okay. So, when we are connecting just one computer to the network, how we will compute? Sorry, how we will connect? So, when we are having a wire, so this one point will be connected to the computer port and the other point will be connected to the switch or hub. The switch or hub is nothing but it is a collection of what? Port. So, you might have seen in our lab there will be one white color box, there will be many lights will be glowing there, you might have seen. So, one part of the wire is connected to the computer port and the another part is connected to the switch or hub, right. So, next we are going to see about wireless local area network. So, wireless local area network, this is the same as the local area network which we can connect up to 5 kilometers, but in the meanwhile is what is the main difference is it is connected without wires. So, in that local area network I said that a wire is used for connecting, but here we are using without wires. Okay. So, in without wires means it can be connected, we may be using in our home with modem, dongles like that. So, in the same way it is called as wireless local area network. Suppose you are having a system and you are having a printer. So, it will be connected to the switch or hub. So, with a wireless antenna, right. So, this is called wireless local area network. So, here it is connected by receiving the radio signals. So, we can get radio signals, the inbuilt antenna will be built inside the laptop. So, in laptop we are using wireless network, inbuilt antenna will be in the laptop, it gets radio signal from the network antenna and it gets connected. Similarly, in antenna also the wireless network which has giving us the network will also be having a wireless network inside it, right. So, there will be a wireless antenna inside the sender and inside the receiver. So, they are transforming the messages with radio signals, right. So, this is the wireless local area network, and the third one we are moving on to which one? Wide area network. So, wide area network is between the many kilometers or many miles between many cities, we can say that we call it as wide area network. So, within one wide area network means it can be connected from Chennai to Mumbai like that, or from Mumbai to Delhi like that. So, that is called the wide area network. In wide area network also, as we are connecting a computer to a switch, that when we are connecting more devices it is called as a router. Okay. When the distance gets enlarged, it is used so when the distance is more, we are using the router to connect the devices, right. So, wide area network. So, in wide area network there may be many inbuilt LAN connections also or wireless LAN connection also, right. So, when they combine used to form a wide area network. So, wide area network is used from between cities to cities, we can say, for many large areas, and we are using the router to connect from one place to another, right. So, and the next one we are using this here is a protocol. Okay. So, TCP means transfer control protocol. And IP means internet protocol. And IP means internet protocol. What do you mean by protocol? I think nowadays you might have heard the WHO protocol. What do you mean by, what was the protocol given by WHO in COVID-19? Yes, they have prepared a 4 period of lockdowns, right? So first one, second one, third one and fourth one. This was the WHO protocol for COVID-19. So this protocol means a set of rules to be formed or to be implemented. So now this is the transfer control protocol and internet protocol. These are the set of rules we are using for transformation of data from one to another. So we are using in network. Transfer control protocol and internet protocol are two set of protocols. That is the two set of rules which has been framed or which has been implemented to carry one set of data from one place to another, are using for the networks, right? So today's in this topic inside internet, that is the lesson 2, we have learnt about 3 types of networks. What are the 3 types of networks? Local area network, wireless local area network and wide area network. So local area network, it is used within the offices, home and in schools. And the next one, wireless local area network, it is similar to the local area network, but the difference is it is connected with wireless. That is, it gets radio signals from the sender and the receiver, they share the data using radio signals, right? And the third one is the wide area network. This is used between cities to cities. When that is, the network is used for wide area, that's why it is called as wide area network, right? Here we are using the router, which is similar to the switch hub, but it is used for wide area, right? And next we have learnt about the 2 types of protocols, transfer control protocol and internet protocol, right? I hope you have understood this. You just go through this in your book. Thank you students. Let us meet tomorrow.